Hi Louise, Phil Beever here from the Wilderness Club. Quick recap on our lesson today. So if we look here on the left, we can see it's set up. The angles look great, but there's just too much of them. We can see here you've got too much knee flex here, that's making your bottom stick behind you a little bit. And that's going to make it extremely difficult for you to rotate through the shot. I asked you to pretend to make a tennis swing, and you never stood like that to rotate over the ball from that position. So here on the right, we can see you've got much closer to it. Your arms are hanging more vertical, which is good. And you've tucked your pelvis up and under. That's the key there. Tuck that pelvis up and under. That'll make you stay, what I call stay in the barrel. If we go back to swing on the left, we'll see here as you take the club away, you do a good job. But as you take the club away, there's zero wrist hinge. So you're taking it away very wide, not really hinging the wrist. So it's a lot of effort to try and get back to the ball from this position. And even at there, you know, the backswing does look nice. Left arm, right arm looks good, but there's no set or play in the wrists. From here, as you come down, because you had too much flex with the lower half, if we just draw a line again on that, because you start coming down, you have to move away from that red line to get back to the ball. So we can see now when you come in here, you look very stuck. And now look at you as you go through the shot. We'll see your hips are moving almost diagonally to the right, that direction. And you're very, like I said, you're stuck through the shot. I mean, look at you now. Look at that right knee, right foot's not got through. So that was because of your posture or setup. We look at the swing here on the right now. I gave you two things to work on. One was the turn, just turning through from that position, getting the right knee to the left knee. And the second thing was to miss the buggy on the way back. So if we look now, we've got a bit of wrist hinge there. I mean, look at that backswing. That looks so much better than this backswing here on the left. Much more fuller and complete. Beautiful move into the ball now. Look at your hips. Club still coming in from the inside. Look at them legs. Look at your bottom. It's rotating hard. I mean, that's terrific there compared to, let's bring you back to impact. I mean, look at the difference. Massively different there. And then look on the way through. Right knee's kissing the left. Beautifully still in posture there. And look at the difference of these two. This one here on the left. We can see again, you're just stuck. Swing on the right, all the way through to a balanced swing. You're looking straight down the line. So, setup's key. Let's get you a bit closer to it. Let's tuck pelvis under, miss the buggy on the way back, turn through it as fast as you can or as hard as you can. Right knee touches the left. Job done.